They're like Pavlov.
It's a cowbell. Time to eat, huh?
Okay, it's a team effort here.
Yeah. Can you come stand over here? Because once it goes in, the group are going to come out. This high tide, so.
Oh, just like that? Oh, you just have to know where to trim on the inside.
Perfect.
Yeah, like we told you, you go from there. Yeah.
Pulling and pulling and pulling.
And you see?
You're pulling pieces out, yeah.
That's incredible.
See, those are the eyes.
Oh, let's see. Yeah, let me get a picture of that. That's a crazy thing.
Where's the mouth?
The mouth is right here.
Watch when he bite you.
So come on.
Oh, will he bite?
These two are the eyes. The mouth's right there, Wes.
Where?
Right here.
Oh,
His nose, his mouth.
This
Looks
mouth.
like reproductive organs.
And this one here is a female.
Oh,
The
okay.
female has the stripe going down.
Ah.
Normally a cow this big
Yeah.
would have another protrusion coming out.
And which part are you keeping? The orange? This part,
Okay,
or-
now this is the mantle.
Uh-huh.
This and all this slime here,
Yeah.
that's what produces the pearls in the
Okay.
conch. So we have to cut all of this along here, take all of this out. We call this the slop. This is like the intestine.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So, do you ever find any pearls in these conchs?
That I take every opportunity.
Oh, look
to
at
clean
that.
the conch.
Just
I'm,
like in a-
I'm hoping.
We pull those out of the clams.
Not yet.
Pull the same thing out
The
of a
fishermen
clam.
say they have to
Razor clam.
clean thousands.
Yeah,
I'm only
interesting.
in the hundreds.
A little small. Okay.
Look at this here is the privel, they call it.
What is it?
It's edible.
It's edible.
Is it the
I'll start
It's-
saving those when I clean the
Yeah, you
the razor clams. It'd be a delicacy for you, honey. So then all the organs you cut out, what do you do with those?
Can I have the knife?
The grouper's gonna eat them.
Oh, the groupers get them.
But like the conch the shell, or sometimes you find the shells, the conch men only kind of take out the conch and this is left in it.
Right.
And this is what smells so
Yeah.
much. So
Oh,
for
okay.
us, we try to take out everything and it's less time for cleaning. Okay,
do you want me to do that or she's good at it. I'll kill
no.
myself.
just there.
You end up with conch slime all over your fingers.
Mhm.
It sticks to you. It doesn't like
Oh, I'm sorry, Perline.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
You have to know how to do it.
Looks like you've done it once or twice.
Just a
So
couple.
look here, okay, let's see if the group are gonna come out.
Yep.
Oh,
Man. Wow. Nice Nassau.
Yes, we feed them.
So you can't.
The guys always tease us when they come this way.
Nobody
Boy,
got that
PT.
one.
Oh.
Oh,
I missed it.
No, he missed it. Oh,
Didn't miss it that time.
Yeah.
oh, big one now.
Oh, jeez.
Couple chunks.
It's still chewing.
Yeah, he's like
Oh, there's nobody else around. He's the only one.
There's the little fish
Yeah.
now that have a
little
chance.
little pound
You
fish.
see?
Oh, it is, it is.
See, so for the salad,
Yeah.
you have to take off this skin. Normally, Bahamians, if we're making soup, we leave that skin on because it gives it a rich conch
Right.
taste.
did you guys want to
What?
make conch salad or? I don't know if we're going to. Maybe
You want a
we'll-
conch salad?
No.
You want to keep it?
No, I
yours.
can
It's
make
for
it
you.
for
No,
you.
it's for you.
No, you
It
guys
takes
for you.
15 minutes.
No, it's for you.
You
It's for you guys.
keep it. We had ours.
Let
We're
her,
gonna
let
have a
her,
conch
let her
about
make
every
it,
day.
Yeah,
and I'll
we're
take you for a
conked
boat
out.
ride.
We
Come
got
back
the other
for a
one.
boat ride, you can have conch salad.
Oh my
She wants to make
goodness.
some, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
You're going to do a boat ride?
I'll take him for a short boat ride.
Oh, that'd be fun.
Okay, so while you go for a boat ride, when you come back, I'll have the salad.